Hi, my name is Elba Lizardi. I am the site director here in Seneca, South Carolina. Well, when I was in high school, my mom put my brother and I in a weekend program for minorities in engineering so that we could learn more about engineering. And I remember taking a tour of a manufacturing site where they made plastics. So I decided I wanted to be a chemical engineer and make plastics. So after working about 24 years at another organization, I was really looking for a change where diversity and inclusion was at the forefront of an organization, and that was BASF for me. I had been following them for a few years and had seen the work that they'd done in this arena. And I'll be honest, I can honestly say being here that it has worked out, that I have seen myself as an equal with the other colleagues around me. I love this question because I get it all the time from everyone I talk to, and the answer really is there is no typical day. And that's why I like manufacturing. Over the years, I had lots of opportunities to specialize in different parts of manufacturing, and I really wanted to stay where I was, more in an operations role, more able to see a lot of different parts of manufacturing instead of focusing in, because every day is a challenge and every day is different. So this is interesting because I see it both personally and professionally. To be honest, I feel like it's validation of all of the years that I have been in manufacturing, partly because, as I said, as a woman, it's important to be able to show that I'm very capable and able to do my job. But I'll also say that at home, I had a surprise from both my kids who are very supportive and wanted to be at the awards ceremony and honor their mom, and just kind of validated all that time that maybe I missed at home as a mom because I was working. I think the one thing I will say, and the most important thing, which is what I always followed, was you can do everything. And I know that's hard to say. It doesn't mean you will always be everywhere all the time, but you can be a mom, you can be a leader, you can be in manufacturing, and you can have success.
BASF. We create chemistry.